Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're talking about vitamin E capsules, different colors and what they do, also how you can mix it up to get a very good result. So I'm just going to talk about these ones I'm holding here, just these three vitamin E capsules. I have the gold, I have the red color, and I also have the green color vitamin E capsule. Now the red vitamin E capsule helps to take care of fine lines. It also helps to take care of dark circles around the eyes, fine lines. That is what the red one does. So the gold color vitamin E capsule, the light gold color vitamin E capsule, this one helps with anti-aging. Okay, this one helps for anti-aging. It helps to improve skin firmness, it helps to reduce wrinkles, it helps to improve circulation. Now the green color, which I'll also be using in this video, is specially made for acne treatment. This one, the green color, helps to treat oily skin, acne prone skin that is prone to reaction. Yeah, that's what the green color does. Okay, so it has other colors like the pink color, the yellow color, different other colors. Now just in case you want, the pink color is used to treat dry skin, cracked skin. You can even put it on your lips if you want. It generally moisturizes the skin. That is the pink color. Then the yellow color helps to brighten up the skin, it lightens the skin, and it also helps to reduce hyperpigmentation. Now these vitamin E capsules are not expensive. If you just go out there to count, they will give you like 3 of it for 100 naira. But if you're buying in pack, just like what I have here, like buying the whole pack like this, it is not expensive. I can't remember how much I bought this particular one, but I know that it is not expensive at all. I think it should be something around maybe 3,000 naira or 3,500, something thereabout. Yeah, I just know that it is not expensive. Now you can actually mix this vitamin E oil with aloe vera to get a very good face cream for people who don't want to spend money to buy face cream. How do you do it? All you need to do is get your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, I don't know the current price of aloe vera gel, but this is what it looks like. All you need to do is get aloe vera gel, put it in a container, and then you get some capsules of vitamin E oil. You can use like 3 or 4 capsules of vitamin E oil. If your skin is prone to acne, you don't need too much of this oil on your skin. Okay, now the green one, even if your skin is prone to acne, like you have an acne prone skin, you can actually use the green one, but in moderation. Now one thing, before I even go about talking about how you can mix it with aloe vera oil, I want to also let you know that you can do this thing on its own. Like you can use it on its own. You can just get this vitamin E oil, cut it open and apply on your face just like that. It is not going to harm your face. It is a good cream, like a good oil, facial oil that you can use on your face just like that. Now about using it with aloe vera oil, aloe vera gel, all you need to do is get your aloe vera gel, put it in a plate or a container, and then you should add in some vitamin E oil. You can use like 3 capsules or 4 capsules depending on the quantity of aloe vera gel that you're mixing. Okay, so once you mix in, like you cut your vitamin E oil open and then add it to your aloe vera gel, then you can now start mixing. Use your spoon or use anything you want to mix with to start mixing. You will mix until it turns from a normal gel to a cream. Yeah, once you mix and keep mixing, you will notice that it will change. Even the color, it will no longer be as transparent gel. It is going to become white, just like a cream. So that cream can be used on your face. You can use it morning and night. It is actually a very good cream. It will moisturize your face. It will repair your skin as well. If you have skin issues, if you have dry skin, you have wrinkles, you have fine lines, that cream with aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil is going to help repair your skin. Now, aloe vera gel on its own is a very good skin repairer treatment. It is very good. It helps to work, like it works on your skin, rejuvenates the skin, and then when you add this oil to it, it does a very good thing on your skin. Now that's that on how to use it with aloe vera gel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can mix it with your cream, and I'll be using this particular face cream here. This face cream is not expensive at all. It is very big and it is not expensive. This is goji berry face cream. Anyways, as at when I got this particular one, it wasn't expensive. I don't know the current price if things have added. So I'm just going to, because me, I have an acne prone skin, I'll be using the green one. I'll be mixing the green one with my face cream. Okay, now this face cream is not something I want to use all the time. It's something that I will use sometimes. I have other products that I use, the ones I formulated by myself and still the one that I bought. So I just mix them and then I keep anyone I feel like using part-time. That is what I will use. So I'm just going to cut open this one. You can decide to just put it like this if you want. Okay, you can put it, you see me when I'm going to show you a video of mixing this with a cream which I'll be doing for a customer, and I'll show you how I'll be doing that. Now because this is a face cream, I'm going to cut it open and add only the oil to my face cream. So after adding this, I'll go ahead and mix it thoroughly, make sure that everything mixes very well, and then I will cover this and keep for usage. So I can now use this anytime I want to use it. It has the benefit of vitamin E oil and also the benefit of the face cream itself. This face cream is actually a moisturizer. Okay, so this is how to mix it up with your face cream and have a good result. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Click on that like button, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, share this video with everyone on your contact list and every social media platform that you're on. Share it everywhere. And yeah, after mixing, that is just it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.